Choose your chicken wisely. For a juicy and tender chicken cacciatore, opt for boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs. Dark meat will add a rich, flavorful taste to the dish, while white meat will keep it lighter. Season the chicken. Before cooking, season the chicken with a mixture of dried herbs, such as thyme, rosemary, and basil, along with salt and pepper. This will help to infuse the chicken with flavor and add depth to the dish. Sear the chicken. To create a crispy exterior and retain the juices, sear the chicken in a hot pan with a little oil. Cook until it is golden brown on both sides, then remove from the pan and set aside. Make a flavorful tomato sauce. The tomato sauce is the cornerstone of chicken cacciatore, and making a flavorful one is essential. Use canned crushed tomatoes, along with garlic, onion, red wine, and dried herbs, to create a rich and savory sauce. Add vegetables for depth. To add depth and texture to the dish, include a mix of vegetables, such as bell peppers, mushrooms, and zucchini. Sauté these in the same pan as the chicken, then add them to the sauce. Simmer the sauce. After the vegetables are added to the sauce, let it simmer on low heat for at least 20 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld together and create a rich and flavorful sauce. Return the chicken to the pan. Once the sauce is ready, return the seared chicken to the pan, nestling it into the sauce. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat until the chicken is fully cooked and tender, about 20 to 30 minutes. Serve over pasta or rice. To serve, spoon the chicken cacciatore over a bed of cooked pasta or rice. This will help to absorb the flavorful sauce and make the dish more satisfying. Garnish with herbs and cheese. To finish off the dish, sprinkle it with freshly chopped herbs, such as basil or parsley, and top with a sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy! Finally, it's time to dig in. Chicken cacciatore is best served hot, straight from the stove. Enjoy it with a glass of red wine for a truly authentic Italian experience. Product list: chicken breasts or thighs, thyme, rosemary, basil, salt and pepper, olive oil, canned crushed tomatoes, garlic, onion, red wine, bell peppers, mushrooms, zucchini, pasta or rice, fresh basil or parsley, Parmesan cheese.